right, let's light it up.
Oh, hello, ma'am. Sir. Glaive. Sorry. Can you tell I'm new at this? They assigned me to sentry duty, me and only me. If anything happens, who am I supposed to tell? Actually, there have been some unsettling quakes, and I want to go let my boss know. Keep watching till I get back.
The heck was that?
Nowhere safe anymore. You're here to help, aren't you? Then get ready, 'cause here they come. Don't expect me to do all the work. You better pull your weight. Then again, I'd be pretty disappointed if the King's Glaive couldn't take down a few measly demons. Especially with all that royal power at your disposal. At any rate, I doubt we've seen the last of them. So keep your eyes peeled and your arms at the ready. Good luck. Keep up the good work.
We've got the power. It's looking brighter already. We've got the power. It's looking brighter already. We're bringing the light back to Lucis. All right, let's light it up.
Reggie had a boy, you know. Slack-jawed sloucher. Went by the name of Noctis. You ever run into him? That is to say, before he went missing. Pickiest son of a gun this side of the Sigillan. And it ain't just food. That boy wanted all his weapons custom made. So I go to the trouble of setting up shop for him, and I don't get a word of thanks. Reggie done spoiled that boy rotten.